to my channel again. So today I'm just going to show you how you can pretty much press enter and go on to the next line in the same box. So if you would like to write a bit more context in one box, but you want to kind of separate it. So I've just opened a plain Excel document here, and using a Mac this is, I will just click on the box where you want to write something. So I'm just putting number 1. Just going to put a list here, Christmas cards. And instead of going on to the next line, I press enter and going into the next line. I don't want to put in the next line. I still want it in the same box. So what I will do is I'll just click on the box, click onto the last pretty much space. And then if you use the option button and enter on your MacBook, it will go on to, can you see that in the same box, it's just gone to the next line. So you could actually carry on writing what you want. And if you wanted to go to the next line, you would also click on option and enter again, and you would go on to the next line, and so on. And this would all fit into the one box if you do want to go on different lines. So this is just the easiest way to basically write in a box. And if you didn't have a Mac and you just wanted to do it on a normal Windows laptop, it would literally just be Control Enter. So give it a go and let me know your thoughts. Thank you for listening.